Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let's introduce myself first. My name is Venita Octaviani from grade 2B Primary School Teacher Education. In this video, I will tell a story called The Poor Girls and the Devil Girls. Happy watching! The Poor Girls and the Devil Girls. One day, at a well-known school, there were two friends, namely Venita and Dinda, who were often called the poor girls by their classmates because they came from very poor families. They are known to have very high intelligence and have many achievements in all fields, but that doesn't make them proud. Another case with the two classmates who are very annoying. They are named Marcella and Sella, who are often called the devil girls. They have abilities and attitudes that are inversely proportional to the poor girls. They always do everything in order to make the poor girls expelled by the school. But it is different for the poor girls who never stop to do good to the devil girls, like milk, which is repaid with tuba water. At that time, the poor girls who were leaving for school suddenly stopped their steps by the devil girls, who were driving away the old man who was a beggar. The poor girls immediately rushed to help the old man and gave him some food. Then the old man thanked and gave a jug to the poor girls. However, when the jug was rejected by the poor girls, the old man kept asking the poor girls, so they could accept it. Finally, the poor girls received the jug and they began to leave the old man. The school bell rings, which indicates that the school time has arrived. The poor girls began to pack their school supplies, but when they were about to put the jug into their bag, suddenly the jug emitted a bright light and the jug seemed to absorb the poor girls into it. Unintentionally, this was seen directly by the devil girls, who were very surprised, and they immediately rushed to get into the jug. However, when they got into the jug, they were not immediately brought together in the same place. The poor girls arrive in a very beautiful place, and they are filled with very kind little fairies. It is different with the devil girls who arrive in a very scary place filled with very fierce and strange beasts. Then the little fairies brought the poor girls fly with their magic to meet the queen, while the devil girls are brought by a group of strange beasts to meet the very evil witch. The arrival of the poor girls was greeted with great cheers by the queen and members of the kingdom, as well as the devil girls who were greeted by a very evil witch kingdom. Then the poor girls asked for a request to the queen, namely, they want to get out of this world, but they want to be able to return to this world whenever they want. Then the queen fulfilled the request of the poor girls. It is different with the devil girls who really enjoy the evil magic in that world, because they have been appointed as two queens as a result of their evil deeds. A few days later, the poor girls felt strange because they had not seen the devil girls at school. Then, when the poor girls were walking on their way home, they met an old man who had given a jug to the poor girls. Then the old man said that the word in the jug was not fine and they needed help from the poor girls. Then the poor girls immediately rushed to find a safe place away from the reach of other people, so that they could get into the jug. When they arrived at the wort in the jug, they saw how much chaos and damage was done to that wort. The queen came over to the poor girls, and she asked for help from the poor girls so they can help save this wort. Then the poor girls accepted the queen's request, and they rushed to use the equipment needed to face the attack from the evil witch that will occur this afternoon. The afternoon arrived. The poor girls and their troops got ready to block the attacks of the evil witch and her troops. Not long after, the evil witch and her troops showed their nostrils while carrying a large amount of magic equipment. But when the poor girls were focused on fighting the evil witch and her troops, the poor girls accidentally saw the devil girls who were dressed like the evil witch queens. Then the devil girls went straight to the poor girls. The poor girls, the girls who pretend to be the savior of the very word. Hey, you don't hope that the very word will live forever, because we from the word of witches will soon destroy the very word, said Marcella. The devil girls, you have to hurry back to reality, because this is not your word. This word is just a place for us to stop by, not for a word in which we live forever. So, let's go back to our real word and finish this fight as a family, said Venita. The devil girls immediately attacked the poor girls with their magic, but the poor girls can block this attack with the virus by joining force with good magic. Not long after, the god of the sky came over to those who were fighting magic. The god of the sky immediately used his magic to stop their magical power battle until the evil magicians disappeared, except the devil girls, who fell so weak that they were unconscious. The god of the sky said that the devil girls had been exposed to a very evil magic within them, and they could only be helped by a noble magic power that no magician had yet. However, if the devil girls are not saved by a noble magic power until the sun sets, they will lose their lives. Then, the poor girls trust to learn the power of noble magic because no one has this magic. Then, after a few hours, the poor girls were able to master the noble magic power. They immediately united the noble magic power in front of the devil girls who were lying weak. But after all this time, they united the noble magic power. They didn't see any reaction that happened to the devil girls. On the other hand, the god of the sky rushed to put the diamond necklace around the poor girl's neck to unite their magic power. When the poor girls began to unite their magic power by closing their eyes and holding hands, a light appeared from the sky onto the devil girls' bodies. Not long after, the devil girls began to wake up, and they immediately embraced the poor girls. Suddenly, while they were hugging, there appeared a very bright light that emitted from their bodies, so that the light took them out of the world. Then the devil girls apologized and promised that they would do good to everyone, every time, and everywhere. That's all. They are also willing to be good friends of the poor girls.